Hi, well today I'm going to explain coding conventions. To do so, I mess up with a program I already made. You can see how I made the recursion program in my videos. Well, first of all, I'm going to explain some coding conventions, and then I'm going to fix my code based on those coding conventions. What this program is supposed to do is to count the time left until the launch of a rocket or something, okay? Well, we can see it working right here. As you can see, it actually works, but let's make it look a little bit nicer. Coding conventions will basically work for, well, they're useful because they help programmers like have a standard, yeah, like a standard. So when another programmer sees your code, he can actually understand what you're trying to do. So they are really useful even though many people don't know them. The first coding convention I'm going to mention is uh, that the bracket should be on the first line or the next line after the yeah yeah on the first line or after the first line of the code that they are going to contain. Also, another important thing is that we must use tabulation. As you can see, nothing here is tabulated. Um, Another important thing is that you should write one instruction per line. For example, here we have C out A, and then we have A minus minus, so it's kind of confusing. Well, what else? What else? We can use also comments, so the program is more understandable. But well, I'm going to start fixing this code, and I'm going to explain what I'm doing. First of all, I'm going to use the tabulation. Okay, later I'm going, okay, let's tabulate all of this. So it can look, so it looks a little bit nicer. Actually, it should be right here. And yeah, that's right. So here we have our if. Later, the if here has its instruction. And we're going to tabulate what is inside the if, so it's more understandable. Then, as I told before, it's recommendable that you only put one instruction or function per line. So here we put the a minus minus. Here we have the bracket of the if. We're going to do the same with the else. We're going to tabulate it, separate its bracket. Okay, right here. Now, as you can see, the void, the font function is more understandable. Well, another thing that is very important to program it is that you should put like good names to the. For example, if this function is going to do a countdown, it will be better. It is called countdown instead of fun, because I mean fun is like really general. So if we write countdown, it will be way better. Okay, here we're going to count down. Yeah, okay, that's right. Now we're going to fix the main function. We're going to put the brackets where they should be. Okay, we're going to tabulate everything as it should be. It's going to look way nicer. Uh, okay, well, I think it's well. Another coding convention is that when you name something, for example, let's say instead of, I don't know, countdown, its name was timeless, you must begin with a capital letter, and another one, and if you want to put another word like left, so you must begin with another capital letter, or you can do this and begin with a lowercase. It's up to you. And as I told before, we can also put some comments like, oh, for example, here a minus minus equal a minus 1. Oh, I almost forgot. Another good coding convention is that when you're writing like this, yeah, like formulas or something, you leave blank spaces between them. So it will be here like a equals a minus 1. It looks nicer, let's be honest. So when you are trying to program something, you should be nice with yourself and with whoever is going to read it. So it's Yeah, you should follow the instructions. Um, well, I think it's everything. Thanks for your attention. See you later.